Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put number 2 on numerator and denominator because I want to create about the factor divided by 2x plus 3. Number 2 multiplied by s and number 4. So number 8, that's about number 3 plus 5. So this one divide by this one. So you got about number 1. Now we got the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about s. The integration of this one, we have 5 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s plus 3, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.